Welcome back. In this lecture we learn some type of the functions, injective, surjective and bijective, and as well some other types. Okay, first one is injective. A function is said to be injective when distinct elements of x have distinct images. For example, and other condition is that the range of the function should be subset of the codomain. Okay, the difference of range and codomain we already have discussed in previous lecture. If you have not seen the previous lectures, see the first lecture of the function, introduction to the function and physical meaning of the function. Okay, here it is in injective function. The condition for the injective function that distinct elements of the x means domain have the distinct images to the y means to the codomain, and range should be the subset of the codomain. This is codomain, y is codomain, and range is 1, 2, 3. Range of the function here is 1, 2, 3. It is subset of the of this domain, codomain 1, 2, 3, 4. Both conditions are satisfied. These have the distinct images. Domain elements of the domain have distinct images 1, 2, 3. Each and F has 1, 2 has 3, and C has image 2 in this codomain, right? And range is subset of codomain. Okay, so that's why we call it injective function. We also call it one-one function. And surjective function is a function in which the range should be equal to the codomain. Okay, this is domain and this is codomain. Here range is 1, 2 means range is the image of the element of the domain. Range of the function equal to this. The value of range are, the members of range are 1 and 2, and the members of codomain be 1 and 2. So both have the same elements, means range and codomain are equal. That's the condition of surjective function. And bijective function, or we say it one-to-one function, or we also call it one-one and onto function. Bijective means it's in this function both functions are included at a time, injective and surjective. Okay, see here in this a function from A to B is said to be bijective if it is both injective means distinct elements have the distinct images, and surjective means the range of function should be equal to the codomain. Okay, see here these elements of the domain have distinct images. Every element of domain have distinct image. A has a different image, B has a different image, C has a different image. All these elements of domain have different images. And range is x, y and z. X, y, z. Range is equal to the codomain. Range of the function is equal to codomain, and distinct element have distinct images. So that's called bijective function. Okay, now let's in some words summarize them. Injective is a function in which every element of the domain have distinct images, and range should be subset of the codomain. And surjective function is a function in which range of the function should be equal to the codomain. And bijective function is a function in which domain have distinct images and range of the function equal to the codomain.